Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install and set up OBS Studio on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for OBS Studio, and the first link which will appear here will be from obsproject.com. So I'm going to click on this link, and straight away on the home page you will see the options for downloading OBS Studio on Windows, macOS and Linux. We are going to choose the Mac option here, and here there are two options available. First one is for the Mac which uses Intel processors, and the other one is for the Mac operating system which uses Apple Silicon chips like M1, M2 or M3. I have the Apple Silicon chip on my Mac operating system, so I'm going to choose the second option which says Mac OS Apple Silicon, which is going to start the download of this OBS Studio 30.1.2 Mac OS file. Once this file is downloaded, I'm going to click on this file, and then let me minimize this browser also. The installation here is really simple. You just need to select the OBS Studio icon and move it to your applications folder. So let me just press the command key and then drag this OBS icon to my applications folder, which is going to copy this application into my applications folder. Once that's done, I can go to my launchpad section, and then here I will be able to see this OBS Studio icon. So I'm going to click on this OBS Studio icon, which is going to launch this OBS Studio. So here you need to provide the permission of your Mac operating system to your OBS Studio to access your camera, to access your microphone, and also access related to your screen recording and accessibility. So here I'm going to click on request access on camera and then click on OK here, and then also microphone and then click on OK here. And then I'm also going to click on open accessibility preferences, and here I can see the OBS Studio option. So I'm going to click on enable here and then provide my Mac OS password and then press on unlock, which is going to enable the accessibility for OBS Studio on my Mac operating system. Same I'm going to do for the screen recording. So I'm going to click on open screen recording preferences here, and here I can click on this plus icon and then provide my macOS password and then press enter here, and from here I can provide the access to the OBS Studio. So let me just search for OBS Studio option here and then click on open and then click on quit and reopen, and you can see in the screen recording section I have added OBS Studio and enabled it. So once these preferences are set, you can click on continue here, and you can see OBS Studio has been launched on my Mac operating system. So here it says system extension blocked. The application OBS Studio tries to load new system extensions. If you want to enable these extensions, open the privacy and security in the system settings. So I'm going to click on open system settings here, and then you can see this option which says system software from application OBS was blocked from loading. So I'm going to click on allow here, and once that's done I can just minimize this window. See here you can see the OBS Studio. So when OBS Studio opens for the first time, you can configure some settings using this auto configuration wizard. So here it says usage information, optimize for streaming, recording is secondary, optimize just for recording, I will not be streaming, and then you also have I will only be using virtual camera. So for now I want to use OBS Studio for the screen recording, so I'm going to just select this option which says optimize just for recording, I will not be streaming, and then click on next here. And on this next window you can select the video settings. For now the base resolution is use current. I'm going to just go with the default option here, and FPS also I'm going to go with the default option and then click on next, and then you have the final results. So I'm going to click on apply settings here, which is going to apply my settings into OBS Studio. Let me maximize this window so that it can use all my desktop screen. Now to capture your screen using OBS, what you need to do is you need to go under the sources and then click on this plus icon which says add sources, and then select macOS screen capture here. And then you can leave this Mac screen capture as default. You can also change the name of this screen capture. I'm going to leave it as default, which is macOS screen capture, and then click on OK. Now you can see the display capture option, which is the method here. So you can leave this as default, and then you have this display option. So you can see, depending on your screen size of your Mac operating system, it's going to show the display option, which is the default display. In my case, it's 1352 cross 878. So you need to remember this resolution because we are going to use this in the video settings. Otherwise, you will not be able to capture your full screen. So this is 1352,878 in my case. I'm going to click on OK here. So once you are done, you need to resize this screen according to the size of this OBS Studio screen. So I'm going to just try to fit this screen in my OBS Studio screen. So let me just resize this. But sometimes it doesn't fit into this screen. So as I said, you need to just remember this screen resolution, which is 1352 cross 878 in my case. And then here you need to click on settings option. In the general setting, you can leave everything as default. You need to go to the video settings here, and you can see base canvas resolution is 1920 cross 1080 by default in my case. So you need to change this to the resolution which we have seen, right? So in my case, it was 1352 cross 878. So let me do that, 878, and then I can just paste the same resolution in the output scaled resolution also. Okay, so once you are done, I can click on OK, and then you can verify this once again, 1352,878. And once again, you need to resize this window according to the size of your OBS Studio, and this time it's going to fit into your OBS Studio screen, right? So you can see this red line here, 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 and here. So your screen will be fully captured now, right? You can also set the output format settings. So when you click on settings here and then click on output here, in my case, I have selected the MP4 option here. By default, it's .mkv file. So I'm going to just select the MP4 option here. You can also select the audio output option. So if you are using the mic or some other audio device, you can select it from here. So for example, in my case, I'm using this Shure MV7. I can select this if I want to use it. For now, I'm going to leave it as default, but you can select it from here. Also in the output section, you can see your recordings will be saved under your username /movies folder. So this is the location where your recordings will be saved, right? So you need to remember this. So you can go to this path and then find your recorded videos. So let me click on OK here and then click on start recording, which is going to start the recording in my case. And then I can minimize this and let me record some more screens. Let's say I want to record this browser here, and then I can also record this home screen of this OBS Studio. Once I'm done, I can click on OBS here and then click on stop recording. I can even pause the video for some time, but for now I want to stop the recording. So I'm going to click on stop recording, which is going to stop the recording. And then I'm going to just minimize this and then go to my movies folder. For that, I'm going to select go. So make sure you see Finder here and then click on go and then click on home folder here. and then under home folder you will find the movies folder, and here I can see my recording which is saved here. So it's saved with the file name of current date and time. I'm going to just open this recording and play it. You can see I have recorded this screen, and you can see I have recorded other screens here. So you can record your screen on OBS Studio like this. Okay, so this is your screen recording, and then the output format is .mp4 here. So this is how you can install OBS Studio on your Mac operating system and then record your screen using OBS Studio on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.